Courts and tribunals exercise their authority on behalf of the people. The decisions courts make are for and on behalf of the people, and for that reason, they must not only be respected and obeyed, but must also be complied with in order to enhance public confidence in the judiciary, which is vital for the preservation of a constitutional democracy. According to Section 4 of the Contempt of Court Act, this section allows this court to punish for contempt. It is therefore evident that the willful disobedience of a judgment, decree, or order properly constitutes a contempt of court. For that reason, the authority of the courts and the dignity of their processes are maintained when their court orders are obeyed and respected, and the court becomes more effective in discharge of its constitutional mandate. Mr. Kipchumba contended that he was duly appointed by the chairperson and acting Secretary General of NUWASE, and that they did so because of a court order which was issued stopping the accused person from dealing with the union and even barred him from interfering with activities of the union. But the accused person went ahead to interfere with the activities of the union, and he has sufficient evidence to prove this claim. I have cited the case of Ntashi Seng Feko versus Metropolitan Municipality and another. That is a South African case where the judge observed that the rule of law is a fundamental value of the Constitution, requires that the dignity and authority of the courts must be upheld. This is crucial as the capacity of the courts, to carry out their functions depends upon it. As the Constitution commands, orders and decisions issued by the court bind all the persons to whom and organs to which they apply. No person or organ of the state may interfere in any matter with the functioning of the courts. It follows from this that the disobedience towards the court orders or decisions risks rendering our courts impotent and any judicial authority a mere mockery. It is important to note that the court orders are legal directions and must be complied with, that they are not mere suggestions. The accused person has blatantly defied the court order and gone ahead to meddle with the complainants as he was clearly instructed not to do so. It is therefore a fundamental rule of law that court orders be obeyed, and where individual is enjoined by a court order to do so or instructed not to refrain from doing this, he has to carry out his duty in that order in terms of refraining to do it. In the foregoing, I find that the accused person acted in contempt of court and total disregard of the orders issued herein. The application for change of advocate is dismissed, since it is impossible for counsel to act for both parties, both the accused persons and the complainant in the criminal proceedings. I find that the accused person actually interfered and went against the court directions. I will today and here recall the bond for his continuous meddling in the complainant's activities because he failed to adhere to the terms of the bond terms.